What the f is up, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Coupel. I am currently in North Carolina, Goldsboro, I think is where I am right now. And I didn't even plan on this whatsoever. I didn't realize there's a Bojangles.
Tell them to bring out the
Bojangles. There is not a Bojangles in Chicago. So I said, fuck it, I've got some time to kill. I want to do a quick little review. Usually I do these kind of things to celebrate a milestone. We hit 1,000 on YouTube. I wasn't able to fly out to California because I didn't have the money.
with your broke ass.
We were planning on coming out here anyway, so here we are. So just want to do a quick little Bojangles review here. I got a few things because it was really hectic inside. I also didn't want to get too much food because I'm by myself. I got the Cajun Filet biscuit with the bow rounds, one breast and biscuit. One breast and damn. I kind of wish I would have chosen dark meat, but whatever. I'll go with it. And one Bo's chicken sandwich. You know how I normally do, scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna dive right into it. We're gonna keep this real quick. Let's just start with their sweet tea. That's fast food sweet tea. That's a 6. All right, what's in the box?
What's in the fucking box?
All right, we have our chicken breast here. Looks pretty nice, looks crispy. It's hot. We've also got a nice, oh, that's soft. Oh, okay, all right. Oh boy. Ooh, that's a soft biscuit.
God damn.
All right, well, they're known for their biscuits, so why not? Well, they're known for the chicken too. So this is a good place to start. Let's go with classic biscuit. I have nothing to put on it. They didn't give me anything, so here we go, biscuit. That's a damn good biscuit. Oh my God. Woo-wee. The exterior just has like this nice, unique crispiness to it, and the inside is just a fucking pillow. It's got some nice salt to it. It's got some nice sauce to it, like a little salted butter situation going on. Honestly, you could eat these alone. People talk about Popeyes and KFC biscuits being super dry. This is like the opposite of that. Biscuit, honestly, ooh, 8.7 out of 10. That's a great biscuit. Little chicken sound test here. Nice and crispy. All right, fried chicken breast, let's go. Ooh. I do not regret getting that breast whatsoever. That's really good. Very juicy, very moist, tender. Seasoned really nice, actually. Like, it's got a great amount of salt to it. It's good. I feel like I've had better. It's gonna get a 7.3. Good chicken breast, but yeah, it's nice. That's pretty damn good. All right, next up we have bow rounds, which are basically just hash browns. Let me double check my bag. I don't think they provided me with anything to dip these in. Nope. All right, this is just gonna get a straight up bow round, no ketchup. Here we go. The inside is really pasty. Like, I can obviously tell there's like pieces of actual like shredded potato in there, but it's almost as if it's being held together a little too much by some kind of binder, which just comes off as pasty. Not terrible, it's not amazing. It's kind of weird, honestly. Damn, people were really hyping this up on Reddit too. The bow rounds, I know people really like these, but unfortunately I have to give this like, I'm gonna give it like a 3.8. These are just not good. I would not get these again. Okay, let's move on to what I believe is the Cajun Filet. Yes, yep, Cajun Filet. So this is like a Cajun seasoned chicken breast on their biscuits. Their biscuits I already know are fantastic, so I can see this being pretty damn good. Looks good. Big ass piece of on there, just popping off, popping out. All right, I feel like the first bite just has to be straight chicken. So, all right, let's go. All right, hang on. Oh, it's good. It's not bad. It's not the most exciting thing. There's a nice little kick on the back, but other than that, like, I'm not getting a whole lot of like Cajun seasoning, just mainly salt and then just some heat in the back. Okay, Cajun Filet. Let's give this a 6.8. It's good. It's not over the top. Pretty decent. All right, last item, I believe. Yeah, last item. We have the Bojangles chicken sandwich. It looks a little concerning. I don't know why it looks like they put it in upside down. Oh, shit, it's heavy. What the hell? It's got some weight to it.
Damn.
All right, we got a few pickles. Sauce ratio is a little sus. Nice big piece of chicken on there. All right, Bojangles chicken sandwich. Let's go. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay. The first thing that happened when I took a bite of this was just straight juice from the chicken. That's actually phenomenal. That's a very good chicken sandwich. It's pretty good. Seasoned pretty nicely. Pickle is nice and mild and fresh. It's pretty good. Mayo, decent. This is All right, Bo's chicken sandwich, pretty damn good. Juicy chicken, nicely seasoned, good pickles, good bread, good everything. Damn, I really wasn't expecting this to be such a heavy hitter. So this is gonna get a solid 9.2 from me. This is really good. From what I tried today, I know it's not the whole menu. I definitely don't have time or the appetite to be able to do all that today. But from those items that I had, the chicken sandwich and just their biscuits in general, not bad at all. Sorry, I'm like, I feel a little gross. I've been eating really well and then I just ruined my body. All right, that's gonna do it. Trying Bojangles for the first time. Nice. Overall, I'm giving Bojangles, you're gonna get a solid 7.5 out of 10 from me. I will be back and I will try more stuff later on. Pretty happy with what I got. I would get more of their chicken options in general, like maybe their chicken tenders, see how they are. I wanna try the dark meat next time, even though the breast was really good. Yeah, Bojangles. Tight. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I know I haven't done one of these food reviews in quite a while, so hopefully you enjoyed. I'll definitely be doing another one someday whenever I can get out to the west side and have some In-N-Out. I know that's gonna be a big one on my list. It'll happen someday, I promise. Till then, I will see you guys next time. Love y'all. Mwah. Bye.